In this video, I'll show you how to lock your home, secure your home in one tap. Heading out for a few days with Home Lock, your home stays under your watch even when you're not there. The moment anyone manually uses a switch, whether it's a light, fan, or any device, you get an instant alert on your phone. No cameras, no extra sensors, just your existing switches acting like a security system. It's a simple way to know if something's not right, wherever you are. How to set up Home Lock. Open the app. Tap Home Lock, bottom of the screen. Configure your security settings, intrusion alerts, camera alerts, sensor alerts, WhatsApp/email alerts, total shutdown, optional. Keep schedules running or pause automations. Tap Lock Home to activate. One tap, and your entire home stays under your watch from anywhere. Thank you.